Okay, let's try this again. So, the denominator of our fraction, the denominator is the root in radical form. Okay. The exponent is the numerator of our fraction. Okay, yeah, it happens to be 1 in this problem. Okay, our numerator, x to the 1/2, our exponent's 1, our root is 2. We're going to be switching back and forth to radical to exponent form. Okay? And then, of course, we always have the base. All right, they sometimes put the exponent underneath the radical. If it's outside the radical or underneath the radical, it doesn't really matter. We have our root. We have our base. And then the exponent is sometimes under the, I always put it under the radical. It's just, that's the way, this is the way I do it. You guys might want to do it that way. I don't care. All right, they have a little formula here. If you want to memorize it or whatever, I don't like, there's way too many different variables there. I don't like it. Okay, let's do some example problems and hopefully you'll get the gist of this. Okay, they tell us here, it says find the indicated nth root of A. So A is our base. I wish they would use the same variables as normal people do. So negative 125 is the base. Okay, so this is the base. 3 is going to be our root. And then our exponents up here. Okay, so our base. We're going to change, this is radical form. We're going to change it to exponent form. So our base is negative 125 raised to the exponent, which is 1, right? There's a 1 there. So that's our numerator, the exponent, and the root is 3. I can easily put this in a calculator. I forgot how to do this, and I'm never going to show you. So remember, in your calculators, put parentheses around negative numbers. Where else are you going to put parentheses? That's right, around your fractions. Okay. Oh, it's not. Here we go. I cleaned it. I have parentheses, negative 125 raised to the 1 divided by 3, 1/3. And if I hit enter, I get negative 5 is my answer. Questions, comments, concerns? Number 2, my base, I wish they would use B for base. My base is 16. What's my exponent on 16? That's right, 1. My root is what? I like changing this to exponent form because it's easier to put in the calculator. So my base is 16. My numerator for the fraction is the exponent 1. And the denominator is the root 4. Is it 2? I don't know. Let's say, let's put 16 raised to the 1 divided by 4. Make sure you use parentheses, because you will get the wrong answer if you don't. 2. Okay, number 3. Number 3, write each in the exponent form. Okay, base is D. Numerator of the fraction is the exponent, which is 2. And the root is our denominator, thirds. That's it. Always. Okay, number 2. My base is E. Exponent is the numerator. Root is the denominator. What? You have to reduce fractions. So I have E to the 1/2. It's my answer. Yep. Number 5. Base is 3. Exponent is our numerator. The root is the base. Denominator. So I have 3 to the 4/5.
Yeah.
Number 6. Our base is 10. Our exponent is the numerator. Root is the denominator. That's 10 to the 1st, right? Which is? That's right, 10. Okay, number 7. Oh my gosh, there's all different stuff going on. I got 2 different bases, right? So my base is E and F. Now I can do this one of 2 ways. I'm going to do them individually because that's the kind of guy I am. All right, my exponent for the E is 2, and the root is 3. The exponent for F is 1, and the root is our denominator. So there's my answer. All right, number 8 through 12, we're going the other way. Okay, number 8, my base is 2. My numerator is the exponent 1. My root is the denominator, which is 2. Number 9, my base is A. Too bad. Yeah, we did. My base is A. My exponent is 3. My root is 5. Number 10. My base is 5. My numerator is 2 is the exponent. And my root is 5. Boy, this is hard stuff, isn't it? My base is X. My numerator is the exponent. My denominator is the root. And number 12. My base is 4. My numerator is the exponent. My denominator is the root. Um, 13 through 17, it says evaluate, so we have to come up with a number. I was wondering what you were doing. does it do? It grows your eyelashes? Curls. 13, 17. It says evaluate. So I got to come up with a number. And it says, don't use a calculator, but we're going to use calculator because I haven't printed up your charts. I forgot there was a chart that went with this unit. So we're going to use our calculator. Very easy. 9 raised to the 3 divided by 2, 27. 32 raised to the negative 2/5, 0.25, hit math, enter, enter. I get 1/4. 15. See, I have 4 raised to the negative 1/2. I get 0.5, which is 1/2. Number 16. I get, let's see, 16 raised to the 5/2, and enter, 10/24. And the last one, 27 raised to the negative, oops, forgot my parenthesis. I will get the wrong answer. Negative 2/3. 0.11111, and then I hit math, enter, enter, 1/9. Questions? It's because you were curling your eyelashes. You're going to have to watch the video. This time we can use a graphing calculator to approximate. Round your answers to the nearest hundred. So this time we need decimals. I don't know how to put this one in my calculator. So I'm going to change this to exponential form. In the parentheses. Now my exponent for 5 is 1, correct? So I have base 5 raised to the 1/4 raised to the 3. So I can put this in my calculator. I'm going to need double parentheses because of that fraction needs to be in parentheses. So parentheses 5 raised to the 1/4. That raised to the 3rd, or 3. And I get 3.34, and they want decimals, right? Yes. So I get 3.34. If you don't know the perfect squares, perfect cubes, perfect 4 quads, you can't do it in your head. All right. I'll print up the chart. Huh? I don't. Okay, number 19. I got to write this in exponential form or exponent form. So 3 exponent 4 root 3. Put that in your calculators. I get 3 raised to the 4 divided by 3. I have 4. No, that's not right. 3 raised to the 4 divided by 3. 4.33. Okay, number 20. Again, I'm going to put this in exponential form or exponent form. My base 5 in parentheses. My exponent is 1. My root is 3. And that whole thing is raised to the second power. So I'm going to need double parentheses because I have to put this in parentheses. Ready? 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 Okay, so I have parenthesis 5 raised to the parenthesis 1 divided by 3, 2 parentheses, and hit enter. I get 1.71. Oh, did I forget the 2? Oh, so I got to raise this to the 2. So I get 2.92. Thank you. I don't know if you could do. This would be easier with the chart. The next 4 problems. I can't do it on my printer. I need the copy room. So here's what we're going to do. Skip it. So for your homework for today, you are going to do the back page of this. It says practice with radicals and rational exponents. But you're going to stop at number 30. So 1 through 30. That's your homework. Tomorrow we'll do the book work. Assigned back of note sheet. Back of note sheet numbers 1 through 30. And I assigned that to you on today, which is Thursday. The 20th. 20th. Okay, so yesterday I assigned you the book work, right? All right, get to work, youngsters.